Our new evidence don't come out for the match Liverpool play against Nottingham Forest yesterday night. They play 1-1. Now that corner kick with Diogo Jota score. Cody Gakpo evidence, video footage. Catch and maybe say in the hold the keeper of Nottingham Forest, like it was intentional, it was deliberate. In hold them. How did VAR miss it? And for now, we never hear anything from Sky Sports about this thing. But if those are asked now, let do this thing now. Sky Sports we don't drop different segments. Everybody we don't talk about why Arsenal are criminals, why Arsenal are doing. Mikel Obi go don't come outside talk say it is illegal. They should be punished again. But now everywhere is quiet. Imagine the hypocrisy. Just take a listen. One Arsenal fan actually captured the moment, post time, sweet and I don't catch fire. Everybody they tag Sky Sports. Say, why not talk about this? Why not just look at
I just want everyone to watch Gakpo right here. And I just want to make sure that we are all consistent about how this apparently is illegal when Arsenal does it. So this is okay. I thought that, Arsenal are the cheaters, so we can do this. We can pin the goalkeepers. So we're okay with it.
You don't see the hypocrisy of the EPL. That's why when people say there's this conspiracy against Arsenal, you would look say yes, it could be conjecture, it could be conspiracy theory, but there is an atom of truth to it. When people say this,
I just want everyone imagine. To watch Gakpo right here. And I just want to make sure that we are all consistent about how this apparently is illegal when Arsenal does it. So this is okay.
It was deliberate.
I thought that, Arsenal are the cheaters, so we can do this. We can pin the goalkeepers. So we're okay with it. I just want
it go hard. Well, Moko just say this season it go hard. We are fighting against both the FA, we are fighting against both the PGMOL, both the referees. So everybody just say they get Arsenal for mine. When Arsenal does it, it's illegal. Everybody, in fact, remember they brought in the Ben White law. We make Ben White not the near keeper again, although he don't get injured. If you watch, you know they really go near keeper. That's why I bring that up a new style of corner kick. Well, I just make I point out this conspiracy because most of us never really see what happened yesterday. That goal should have been cancelled. At the end of the day, Nottingham Forest should have won. But it is what it is.